This is the moment you've all been waiting for. I am going to review my SZA wig, and it is a lace front wig by Red Carpet Premiere. Red Carpet Premiere is under Isis Hair. I'll put a link below, but if you want to look directly for the company or the brand, it's Isis Hair. So the name of the wig is Mermaid 2. It comes in black, off black, black and blonde, some gray and blue. It's made out of Futura heat resistant fiber. And that's why it costs more, because it's supposed to be like a human hair blend, and you're supposed to be able to curl it. Yeah. Now, let me just say this. Any synthetic hair can be curled. You can curl it. What's going to determine if it's going to hold the curl or if it's going to melt is the temperature. Okay. So I have used Isis Hair before in the past, but it's been a long time. So I'm not... and that was Isis Weave when the quick weaves were big. Isis Weave was like a brand that I remember good things about. But like I said, that was track hair. It wasn't a lace front. You have to think too when you get a lace front, the quality of the lace, which I'm just tell you right now as I'm taking this packaging out. This lace is really hard. So I don't quite know how to feel about that. I'm going to cut my lace. It comes with a little roll to keep the curl in the front. Okay, so the SZA wig is not curly. It just kind of has a bump in the front, and the rest is, kind of straight. Now, the thing about the SZA wig, what makes it a SZA wig, is that it is extremely yakky hair. Yakky is the texture of black girl hair that's been permed. Okay, that's what yakky means. Okay, so it's natural black hair that's been permed, so that means it's thicker, it's heavier, it's fuller. So that's what makes this a SZA wig. The hair is really thick, really full. It's not silky. It's a little shiny out of the box, but I have a good suspicion that that's gonna go away. I'm just gonna stretch my wig a little bit, because when I tried the one on the hair store, it was quite small, and I have a big head. And I also I have natural hair, and it's not long enough to braid, so I put a couple ponytails where my there to kind of hold my hair back. And I might put on another wig cap, but I might not. I'll show you the lace. You see it's shiny. It's a little shiny. It's a little stiff. Okay. And then I'm gonna show you the part. The part's nice. I like the way the part's looking. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace.
And I'm going to leave a little bit on there. If you cut it too much, too close, then sometimes what happens is it pulls up around the corners. And especially if you have a big head, like me, and standard size wigs often don't fit you properly.
Then you always want to leave a little bit of lace on when you make the first cut. And then, if you make the first cut and you put it on and it looks fine, the fit is fine, and you can take off more, but you always want to leave a little extra just in case, because wigs on big heads do fit different than wigs on small heads. So as you can see, I did leave, I don't know measurements, a little bit. I was going to say a 1/4 inch, but I'm going to say a little bit. I left a little bit. Okay, so out of the box is shiny. You can see it. But I know that because of the texture of this hair, I'm not worried. It will lose its shine probably in 2 wears, 3. I'll be very surprised if it doesn't lose this shine in 3 wears at the most. It doesn't have a lot of hair on the actual cap because the hair they did put on there is yakky. It will get bigger with time. It's just it's really small right now, and it's not the real SZA because it just came out of the box. Okay, so if I was wanting to do a SZA thing, what I would do is first I would puff this. this is just my out of the box review. What I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna put a little concealer on the part, maybe pluck it a little bit. But you know, I kind of like. I'm old school. I don't need all that lace front, fancy part. You know, I kind of like it when it looks closed up. Um, like when it just looks like, hair. I kind of like that. Like right here, it just looks like, hair. I kind of like that. And it's a little bit more low maintenance because you don't have to keep putting makeup on the part or whatever. I'm definitely going to put some makeup on the lace, but I don't think I'm going to cut it anymore. I kind of like how it's got a little hair stuck in it, look like baby hair or whatever. So, yeah, this is my review of the Isis Mermaid brand wig, and it's Mermaid 2. It's very full, very thick, yakky hair. Yeah, I could tell. You can tell, like, just as I've been combing out of the box, it's gotten bigger, but it's gotten bigger already. So it will get bigger. This was $30, $29.99. It was a lot more expensive than that. It was on sale. So I really like this wig. You can do some slow motion things. Did you get that? Okay. So I really like this wig. Isis, nice. I really like it. I love it. It's a good look. It's nice. It's thick. I think I'm gonna put some rollers in it to try to get this, the ends not so straight. But I'm gonna do that after I've worn it out for a couple days just to get that shine out. Okay. All right, you guys. Thank you for watching.